Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn accounting for beginners. We will start by understanding the fundamental accounting equation, which states that assets equal liabilities plus equity. Then, we will dive into the crucial concepts of debits and credits, the very foundation of double-entry bookkeeping. Finally, you will learn to identify the three primary financial statements: the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, each offering a unique view of a company's financial health. Next, let's explore some core accounting principles. First, we will grasp accrual accounting, which recognizes revenues and expenses when they are earned or incurred, not necessarily when cash changes hands. This is a key distinction from cash basis accounting. Then, we will apply the matching principle, ensuring that expenses are recorded in the same period as the revenues they help generate. These principles provide a more accurate picture of a business's financial performance over time. Now, let's talk about practical learning methods. A great starting point is a beginner-friendly online course or a comprehensive textbook, providing a structured learning path. It is crucial to practice with numerous real-world examples and exercises. This hands-on approach will solidify your understanding of concepts. Additionally, exploring accounting software tutorials can give you valuable practical experience with data entry and financial reporting, preparing you for real-world applications. Finally, let's discuss continuous skill development in accounting. Regularly reviewing financial statements from various companies will help you understand how businesses track their performance and make informed decisions. Networking with experienced accounting professionals can provide invaluable insights and career guidance. As you progress, consider pursuing certifications or advanced courses to specialize in areas like tax, auditing, or forensic accounting, further enhancing your expertise and opening new opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.